3. My name is Brittany Teacher, and today is Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. Today we're going to review the rest of your Wonderskills book. We reviewed units 1 through 6 yesterday. Now we're going to review units 7 through 12. Remember, we are reviewing, so you've already read all of these stories. You've already done all of this work. We just need to remind ourselves of the vocabulary we learned and try to remember what the story was about, okay? So when you open your books to your story, every unit begins with vocabulary first, then the story on the next 2 pages with read closer questions. If you haven't answered the read closer questions already, you need to do so again. And also, when you're reading the story, you need to circle the vocabulary words you see. So let's review some vocabulary words from Unit 7, Places in Our World. We learned about the different types of ecosystems in the world. So there are savannas, rainforest, layer, tundra, climate, cover. Read the story again and find and circle the vocabulary words that we just read. When you read closer, underline, what is the weather like on the savannah? Circle the words. On the next page, you read about rainforests. Read closer, and tundra. What animals live in the rainforest? Underline the words. Last, you learn about mountains and the ocean. What covers most of the earth? Circle the answer. After that, go to Unit 8 and do the same thing. Unit 8 was all about Alaska, a special place. Alaska is very unique compared to other places in the world. Check your vocabulary one more time. Read and practice. Thin, thick, glacier, temperature, freeze, crops. Then go to the next page. Alaska, a special place. Read closer. Where is Alaska? Circle the answer. What animals can you see in Alaska? Underline the names. Here are clues at the bottom because you can see pictures of the types of animals that live in Alaska. How many days have no sunset in summer? Underline the word. You're looking for the word for how many days the sun does not set. After that, go to Unit 9. Again, check your vocabulary. Waves at work. We learn about the way that water can change the earth by eroding away land. Wave, crash, erosion, steep, cliff, crumble. Go to the next page. Waves at work. Read closer. What can waves do to sand? Castles. Underline the answer. What do waves carry away from the bottom of cliffs? Underline the words. What happens to waves when they hit a seawall? Circle the answer. Okay, after that we go to Unit 10, Happy New Year. We learn about different New Year's customs around the world. Let's practice our vocabulary. Celebrate, midnight, fireworks, dumpling, costume, lantern. Happy New Year. In what 2 countries does she celebrate the new year? Underline the answers. How does she paint her face? Circle the words. How many days is Chinese New Year? Circle the number. Okay. Next story, Unit 11. Why the sun and moon live in the sky. Remember, this is a folk tale. It's not a true story, but it's a fun story about how nature might have been explained many, many years ago. Let's practice vocabulary. Visit, invite, hold, add, arrive, splash. Review the story one more time. While you're reading, read closer and circle, why doesn't water want to visit sun and moon? Underline the answer. What else comes into the house with water? Circle the names. After you do that, you're on your last review unit. That's Unit 12. That's the snowman contest. Remember, this is a fictional story about a big snowstorm coming. Before you read, review your vocabulary. Siren, freezing, blow, snowflake, judge, and scoop. Read closer. Why do they have to go home from school early? Underline the answer. What are Carl and Emma's friends doing in the street? Circle the words. What does the snowplow scoop up? Circle the answer. Okay, after you have reviewed your vocabulary and read each story one more time, make sure you do your read closer questions by circling and underlining, looking for key details and important information in the story. After you finish that, you are done reviewing your Wonderskills student book. Thank you for watching today's lesson, and I will see you next time. Bye!